Okay guys, I finally got some time to do my Ipsy bag opening and I absolutely don't know what I got. So you guys are opening the bag with me as usual. So it's definitely the September bag. This is the bag that it came with. So this month is about the moment you've been waiting for. Embrace self-expression with your brand new faves. So it says I got the Nip Plus Fab Salicylic Fix Clay Mask, Appeal Cosmetics Melon Crush Sugar Scrub, Eloise Beauty Blush in Rosy Glow, Pixie Beauty Eye Define Waterline, and Shades by Shan the Setting Spray. So actually, I think I ran out of eyeliner, which is crazy. I don't think I ever run out of anything at my house. So I'm hoping that this waterline can double as a eyeliner, but we'll see as we open up everything and go from there. Back again. All right, so this is the Nip and Fab mask. It says apply on clean, dry face, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times per week. So if you guys don't know, salicylic acid is good for acne. So I don't even know which one I picked. I'm pretty sure I did a face mask because I've been loving face masks for the longest time now. I might have to open this one. No, I got it. Cool. So this is the Eloise blush. Try and get the... Oh, that's like a deep blush. Let me do the other side. Let me do the other side. That's like a cute fall blush for sure. I gotta pat it in so you guys don't think I'm crazy. I should have just got the brush to begin with. I'll be back. Okay, so now that I blended in a little bit so you guys can see my cheeks with this color here again. Don't mind me, I'm just being my normal silly self. All right, so next is Appeal Cosmetics Melon Crush Sugar Scrub. I can't remember, it's either between this mask or this one that I picked for sure. So get ready to turn your shower into a tropical paradise with this watermelon scented sugar scrub. If I can talk. It's got what it takes to buff out that dull, dead skin, leaving you feeling irresistibly smooth and glowing. So their tip is buff the scrub into dry or damp skin in circular motions and rinse well. Perfect. So I forgot. So we'll say the prices. The full-size version of this is $24. The full-size version of the scrub is $18. The blush full size is $30. The Waterline Define full size, which this looks like full size to me in my opinion, is $14. And the setting spray, that is $28 for the full size. So next, the Pixie Beauty Eye Define Waterline. It says this waterproof eyeliner slim tip makes lining your eyes a cinch with intense color payoff that lasts all day. It's gentle and ophthalmologist approved, aka your eyes, so you can define your waterline without or eye doctor without having to worry about your eyes getting blurry or irritated. That's perfect because I wear contacts and I don't need dry eyes at all. So we'll open it up. This was perfect. Perfect timing. Let me see if it glides. Yep, it's a glide. Oh, that's perfect. Right on time. I literally ran out of eyeliner like Friday. And I was using the other eyeliner, and then, you know, when you use the dry felt, it gets dry, then it's like not as smooth. So perfect timing. I will definitely use this tomorrow for sure. All right. Okay, so last but not least, we have the Shades by Shan, the setting spray. So it says, whether you're hitting the town or conquering the day, the setting spray locks in your flawless look with a weightless, long-lasting hold. And not only keeps your makeup in check, but also hydrates and refreshes your skin for a radiant, dewy finish that stays in place all day. So their tip is spritz this before your makeup application for a hydrated and smooth base. Okay, so I'm not gonna say I'm not a fan of dewy skin, but dewy skin with my oily skin makes me look shiny all day. So I will try this tomorrow and see how it goes. It says the setting spray is infused with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ginseng. Your skin will feel plump, hydrated, and refreshed. It doesn't really have a smell, but that's fine. Like I said, I will try this tomorrow and go from there. I'm not, like I said, a huge fan of dewy looks. I love a matte look. So again, we'll try it and go from there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed opening my September Ipsy bag with me. And as usual, if you want to try it out, I definitely have free bags that I can give away. Try it for a month, whatever. Like it, don't like it, it's fine. But I'm definitely excited. I like this brand, Pixie, for sure. And I'm also super excited to try the sugar scrub. So I'll probably try this sugar scrub today. And definitely do a face mask. I attempt to do a face mask at least once a week minimum. And then exfoliate at least 3 times a week. For sure. All right, guys. I'm going to go play around in makeup. And I'm sending you guys some hearts, kisses, and enjoy the rest of your Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. And I am going to act like I'm not struggling with this. There we go. I don't really smell anything off of this, but that's fine. I was hoping it was going to smell like the Tropical Oasis, it said. But anyways, again, much love. And I will see you for my next makeup bag opening. Bye.